Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do a magic circle. Just gonna need a ball of yarn, crochet needle, this one is a 5.5, and a pair of scissors. These are the only 3 items you need to get started on any crochet project. So there's 2 ends of the yarn. There's the end that's cut off, and there's the end that's still attached to the ball of yarn. We're going to be working with the end that's still attached to the ball of yarn. So once you have this loop right here, you're gonna take your crochet hook and insert it through the circle. We're gonna grab this end of the yarn and pull it through the circle. Once you're here, you're just gonna take your crochet hook and turn it after you've turned. All you need to do is make 1 chain. It's gonna be a little bit slippery. You're just gonna take this, make sure to hold on to the circle, and make 1 chain. Once that chain is done, you have a magic ring. And that's how you make a magic ring. For my visual learners, I'm gonna do this one more time without talking. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am going to be making more tutorials, and hopefully you were able to start a project on your own through this tutorial. Thank you.